Hello students, Mr. Young here. I am one of the teachers that helps run the middle school student government, and this is the middle school government course page. Pretty much every middle schooler has access to this page because all of you can participate in student government. Now I know it's the beginning of the year. Welcome back. I just wanted to make you aware that this course is here. It's available to you, and there's going to be some big things happening very soon. For example, we have to have elections here. We usually have our elections. We usually start that maybe about a month into the school year, give everyone a chance to settle in. But when we do that, you can choose any student in the middle school to run for president or vice president. And then I'll post your happy little pictures here under the current officers section. We have student government events, we have student government meetings about bi-monthly, and typically there's some kind of fun thread floating around in here, which will be right here. This is our first fun thread. It'll open on the first day of school, all about, telling us all about your summer. It's linked here. It just pops open. Hey, tell me about your summer. I'm going to tell you about mine. Pretty much my goal is that any point of the year, we have some kind of fun thread up to keep the activity going in the student government page, in addition to those meetings that we have every other month. And I don't have a schedule for that yet, but it'll be coming out soon. I'll disseminate that information. It'll be on here, and I'll put it in the announcements as well. That's about it for now. Just come back and check around the student government page every once in a while. First big thing will be elections. What do you do in student government? You help me and the other teachers here in the student government. You basically give us student feedback, help us maintain the page, and give us ideas and input on how to do things like what kind of events you want to have, what kind of community service do you want to do, and a big thing is you usually help us with the dance, making plans for that and whatnot. That's the quick version of it. Stop on by anytime. Keep an eye out for student government announcements and those upcoming elections. Have a great day. Welcome back to school.